Hey there, it's Jonathan Javier, CEO, co-founder of Wonsulting. In this video, I'll be going over how you can utilize Network AI to land interviews, gain industry connections, expand your network, and send follow-up messages. Before diving in, I want to talk a little bit about why we created Network AI. When I was on my job search, applying to hundreds of different roles, expecting responses back from one of my dream companies, when in fact I never did, I always felt like I was doing something wrong. Was it because of my background? Was it because of the school that I attended? Thus, I started to utilize LinkedIn to network with industry recruiters, professionals, and hiring managers. By doing so, I was able to land my offers at Snapchat, Google, and Cisco. Our hope is that you can have the same success utilizing Network AI, where you not only will be able to identify who the hiring manager, recruiter, or professional is that you should connect with, but also it'll curate a LinkedIn message for you so you don't even have to think about it. So, how to use the tool? Let's dive in. First, when you're on WonsultingAI, select Network AI right here. Then, what you're going to do is identify why you're networking. I'll be going over all four, but let's just select I want an interview for this first case. Then what you're going to do is select your target job function. Let's just say it's sales, and then your target company, let's say it's Microsoft. Then click generate and wait a few seconds, and what will happen is we'll not only curate a personalized message you can send to the professional, but also identifying who the recruiter or hiring manager is for the role. Select copy and then click go to LinkedIn. It'll identify who the recruiters and hiring managers are for the role. And if you want to connect with them, simply click connect, add a note, and then paste the exact personalized invite we created from Network AI into this field, and that's it. If you didn't like this message, all you gotta do is click load more messages right here to load another message that you could send to a recruiter. And if you didn't like this prompt and you wanted to edit some things, all you gotta do is select edit right here, and then you can edit accordingly. Let's just say you didn't like this end part, you can just click end, and then you save, and that's it. If there's a specific prompt that you liked, then click add to favorites. And if you go to favorites right here, it'll show you all the different messages that you favorited, and also all the messages that you've generated. Now, let's go to the next one, which is I want industry connections. Select I want industry connections, and then what you're going to do is put your target role, target company, and current job. For the sake of this, let's just go for the same role as the previous. Let's say it's sales. Let's say your target company again is Microsoft, but let's just say that your current job right now is in marketing. Then click generate right here and wait a few seconds for it to generate a message. And as you can tell, it's created you a LinkedIn message for you to send to someone who works in sales at Microsoft. Then what you're going to do is do the same process, click copy here, then go to LinkedIn, and it will find people who are directly in sales at Microsoft that you can connect with. All you have to do is click connect, add a note, and then paste the exact personalized invite in here, edit this part to put their name, let's just say it's Jonathan, and then click send. Now let's go to I'm just expanding my network. I'm just expanding my network is for those who want to connect with others who are on a similar path as you are. First, fill in the information for current job. Let's just say that you're in marketing. So I'll type in marketing right here and I'll click generate. And then Network AI will create a message and identify who you should reach out to so you can expand your network in your interested field. Do the same process, click copy, go to LinkedIn, and it will find everybody who's willing to chat and that's in the marketing field. Lastly, one of the biggest challenges job seekers face is, well, I got connected with them, what do I do next? That's when I want to send a follow-up message comes into play. So what you're going to do is fill in your information. Let's just say your target role is sales, your target company is Microsoft, the first name of the connection is Jerry, and then the job title of the connection is sales manager. You're going to click generate, and what's going to happen is it's going to create a LinkedIn message that's a follow-up that you can use to reach out. Simply click copy, and then you're going to go back to the initial personalized invite that you sent, and you can send them this message directly. If you click go to LinkedIn, it'll go directly to your inbox, and then you can send these messages as easy as possible. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have any other questions, please take a look at our Wonsulting FAQ or reach out to your school admins for further assistance. If you have any specific feedback, please send us an email below, or you can fill out the weekly form. We'd love to hear from you, and let's turn each and every one of you from an underdog into a winner.